This is a 1993 to 1994 Galaxy box fan. It is 3 speeds. It's got the metal Marco motor in it. It is missing the handle, but other than that, it's in really good shape. There's just some dirt on the top of it that needs to be cleaned off, but the sides look almost perfect, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. There's no rust on the bottom or anything. This fan has a really nice quiet low speed, but we'll start on high. Medium. Blows a good amount of air too. And low. It is really quiet on low. Have not oiled this motor yet. I just got this fan. I got it from a friend. The motor seems to be fine so far. It has a good spin down time, but I will take it apart and oil it. But that low speed is just awesome, how quiet it is. And it's still moving a nice gentle breeze. I'm gonna try and get some startup sounds from this fan. We'll start with high. One of the washers is making a little bit of noise. Now here's medium. And here's low. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.